Hi there. Welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. In this particular lesson, we're looking at the liver. So let's read this together and go through a little bit more explanation. So a crab that loses a leg can grow another one back. A worm that loses its head or tail can grow either back from any of the segments. And believe it or not, you can do something similar. The liver is the largest organ inside a body. If part of it is removed, it can also grow back. But the liver is amazing in many other ways too, because it does so many different important jobs. The liver is like a giant chemical factory with three major functions. It makes something called bile to help your stomach break down the food that you eat. It cleans your blood by removing dangerous chemicals from your body. And it makes and stores fuel for you to use when you need extra energy. Your liver is located under your ribs on your right side. It is smooth reddish brown and made up of two different parts called lobes. And your liver weighs about 3 pounds. So there's a small diagram for you on what a liver actually looks like. Altogether, your liver does more than 500 things that are vital for your health. Besides its main jobs, the liver helps make antibodies that kill germs and makes cells that build your muscles. It even makes a protein that stops cuts from bleeding for a long time, and it keeps pollution from hurting you. The liver is so important that none of us can live for long with one that is badly diseased. You can take care of your liver by eating healthy foods, drinking water, and exercising. Drinking too much alcohol and smoking cigarettes can cause damage to the liver. There is a rather strange side effect for some people with liver problems. Their skin and eyes can turn a shade of yellow. Even newborn babies sometimes have this problem. Doctors can help, so people who are looking yellow should see one right away. After all, this is one part of your body you need to keep healthy. So this is all about the liver and why we need the liver and the fact that it can actually grow in places if you lose the liver for whatever reason. And drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes is very, very bad for our liver because our liver does 500 major functions in our bodies. Have a read of this again. You've got some questions to answer thereafter. Good luck, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.